Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling location and selecting high accuracy mode. This uses GPS, Wi-Fi, and cell towers to improve precision. Open a map or dedicated GPS app that displays coordinates. Make sure you grant the app permission to access location now, because without permission you won't receive coordinates. Once done, wait for the satellite or location icon to stop searching. That indicates a fix. If indoors, step outside to a clear view of the sky to speed up the satellite lock. Next, obtain the numeric coordinates. Tap and hold the map to drop a pin or use the app's My Location feature to display latitude and longitude. Read coordinates in decimal degrees, latitude then longitude, because most systems accept that format. Check the app's accuracy estimate in meters to judge reliability. A lower number means better precision. Once you have values, copy or note them exactly. If you need a different format, convert decimal degrees to degrees and minutes using the app's export or a quick convert. Finally, verify by opening the coordinates in a second map or pasting them into a search to confirm the same location. This prevents copying mistakes. Save the coordinates with a timestamp and accuracy reading by exporting, copying text, or taking a screenshot. If you can't get a steady GPS fix, reboot your device, toggle airplane mode for 10 seconds, or move to an open area with a clear view of the sky. These steps refresh satellite connections and often restore accurate latitude and longitude.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.